promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusing? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chandali. I'm a licensed esthetician and I make fun YouTube videos for new esties who are figuring out their journey, and I'm literally just sharing my story with you. If you have not ever seen my channel, here's what you should know. I graduated a year ago from aesthetic school. I worked at a day spa, kind of a European spa for a while, for about a year. And then I took on a role at an advanced aesthetics establishment. So I kind of work at a medi spa currently, part-time. And I opened my business, Skin Is in December of 2022. And it is thriving. And yeah, I'm in the transitional period of leaving my part-time job and becoming a full-time solo employee, a self-employed individual, which is so exciting. And I own a podcast as well called Skin Is In Podcast. I'm also a brand ambassador / educator with Circadia Skincare. If you don't know, Circadia is what I use in my treatment room. It is my favorite skincare line, but it's just one of those skincare lines that has done so much for me in my journey. And so yeah, but I wanted to talk to you guys because I have some really exciting news for you. So also I want to celebrate the fact that we have hit 4,400 subscribers pretty much. It's just insane. I am just like, oh my God. And I literally love you too. Like I do so much, you guys. I really do. I love making content for you guys. It's so easy. So as you guys know, I did accept an offer as a brand ambassador for Circadia, but I am working with 2 other companies as well. And I want to talk to you guys about it so that you understand what you can expect on my channel and this new journey that I'm taking on. So listen, I am very new in my business and I am at the place where I'm ready to offer more advanced services. And so, but I'm not at the stage in my business that I'm ready to buy off like an extremely expensive machine. Babe, I'm not saying I'm not gonna get there. I'm just saying today, it ain't today. And you gotta be able to recognize your journey. Like, yes, you will get there eventually, but if you do something outside of the divine timing for yourself, It's not a good idea. It never fares well. Guys, sorry, someone was calling me. For real. So I'm at the place where I'm ready to buy advanced devices, and I wasn't really sure where to start. Like, I'm okay with making some investments, but I'm just not at a place where I'm ready to bite off like a $50,000 machine. Like, here's what I will say. I decided to do a little research. You know your girl gonna figure it out. If there ain't one thing about me, if I get a no, I am only more inspired to try some other stuff. So I started meeting with some advanced skincare companies. Not skincare companies. I started meeting with some advanced skincare technology companies. Like, just like, just trying to figure out where I want to go, what I want to do, who I want to work with, all of that stuff. I met with a couple of companies, just talking to them about numbers, trying to figure some things out. And so I met with these companies, right? And I just talked numbers with them. I just wanted to figure out, like, what's my ROI? You know, when can I expect to see, you know, what's the initial cost to get into business? What's the direct cost impacting me? And what is it going to take to maintain their equipment and all of that stuff, right? So I went with one company, and they were just really outside of my price range. And I do love this company. I just am not in that place, and I know that about myself. So I was like, okay, cool. Here's what they had told me. They were like, so the machine was $25,000, which isn't crazy. That's, you know, that's still outside of the budget that I'm trying to spend. Like, I'm gonna just be real honest, baby. And probably outside of the budget for most people. So I was like, well, no, they wanted me to spend $5,000 down, right? Which would leave about $20,000. And then they wanted me to pay that $20,000 off in a year. And I was just like, girl, like, that just seems like a really aggressive lending offer to me. I don't know. It didn't work for me. I hope it works for somebody. So I went with another company and I talked to them, and they had a really great lending offer, but I didn't like the product. I do oxygen treatments with Circadia currently, and so I get a really great benefit with the oxygen treatments. I didn't see the point in investing in that device. Anywho, sorry guys, somebody else was calling. Oh girl, everybody trying to get in touch with me today. I decided and I landed on this other company called Zemits, and I purchased a device. I was like, I'm gonna try the Hydrodermabrasion. I'm really excited about this. This is right my speed. This is gonna be a huge upgrade from what I currently offer, but not such a huge upgrade that my clients are completely in shock, or also that I have to drum up a bunch of clients and then pay for this product, right? So I felt like comfortable. It was my speed. So I ordered the device and I got it. So I'm going to show that here in a second. But girl, so you know your girl be working. I decided to share on Instagram that I was waiting on my package from Zemits. Well, they saw my content, liked my content, stalked my YouTube, loved my YouTube, started messaging me. We got into negotiations and I signed a contract to become a brand ambassador for their company. And they are sending me out some devices to do for you guys. And I'm going to have a special code for you. And I'm also going to be going to the trade shows, and I'm going to be demoing the devices there for you guys. So I'm really excited to them. So we are going to unbox their equipment, and then I'm going to demo it for you as well. And then I cannot wait to show you guys all of my clients' reactions, their thoughts, and all of that. So, and then when my new machine gets here, which is just so crazy because I'm literally outgrowing my space right now, but girl, we gonna figure it out. But when my new machine gets here, I'm gonna show it to you guys as well. Anywho's, really excited about these updates. Can't wait to show you guys. I told you guys this is my motherfucking year, bitch, and it is, and you see it and you're watching it happen in live action. I decided to take this career seriously and invest in myself, and here I am now, 4,400 subscribers later, 3 brand deals. The other company that I didn't tell you that I'm partnering with is Online Makeup Academy. This is an online makeup academy that you can go through, that you can get certifications so that you can be a successful makeup artist. You can show those credentials. And I am actually going through their academy right now to become a master makeup artist, which is just like, wait, what? And I will be reviewing them for you guys and telling you my feedback. I just haven't talked about it recently because I haven't really gotten too depth and haven't gotten too deep into my classes, but I'm getting ready to start theory on it, and I'm just really excited. And I have all the things happening, so stick around and let's go unbox these packages. Alright guys, as promised, let's get into this unboxing. First of all, hit the thumbs up if you like me, if you like this video, if you're graduating, if you just enrolled in school, if you're celebrating a milestone, hit the thumbs up, girl. So guys, I'm unboxing in this video only, and then I'm gonna make a part 2. So make sure you are subscribed so you can come back and watch me really like set up my machine in my space, because really I just did this at home. Obviously right now I'm unboxing something in my space, but when I show you my machine, I did that at home. So yeah, so the first thing you see me unboxing is a package that I got off of Amazon. It's called the 4-piece wedge system. I think it's from like Luxor or something. Anyways, I put it on my Amazon store for you, but I got this because I have a client who can't lay back. She just can't lay all the way flat on her back. She had a back surgery and she just can't do it. And I thought, you know what, I need to make this investment anyways, because I need to make sure I have accessibility for all clients. And so I went ahead and got this, and girl, do I love it. Oh my gosh. Luckily my bed does lower down, so it was easy for me to still do the facial and see. I have it on the lowest setting. And so yeah, you can get it on Amazon if you'd like. Here is my pride and joy right now. So this is my Hydrodermabrasion system. This is what I ordered. It is the Hydrodermabrasion. And what I really like about it is you have the ability to utilize fluid hydrodermabrasions. It's kind of the combination of a dermabrasion, a microdermabrasion, you know, and a hydration. So you're going to topically apply your serums, and then you're going to use your fluid hydrodermabrasion wand to actually do all of that. It has a waste jar, so you'll be able to show your clients what you've extracted and exfoliated from their skin. It does have a dual pulse oxygen injection system, which is really neat. An oxygen infusion gun as well, so that you can infuse serum into the skin, radio frequency for our skin tightening, the décolleté as well, and then you have the ultrasound. So it's a 7-in-1 system, and I just felt like this would be a perfect addition to my treatment. So you're just going to perform the dermabrasion over wet skin with serum, and then that's performing the like liquid exfoliation process. And so this is the oxygen infusion step. And so I'm just going in and I'm just infusing the serums into the skin. And yeah, I am going to do an entire like walkthrough tester for you guys one day. It's just not today because I just unboxed it at home and I didn't have like all of my stuff, you know, that I have at my studio. So I am actually literally working on the video today for you. So that should be up in 1 week. It takes me about a week to edit, guys, so I'm sorry, but it does. So this is, if you don't know anything about me, you should know that I love LED therapy. I am such a fan. This machine is what I ordered from Zemits as well. It's the Max LED like light dome, I guess, I don't know. But it has red light, blue light, and green light. So the red light's really good for, you know, anti-wrinkles. Blue light's going to be good for anti-acne, and then green light's good for anti-pigmentation. So these are, it has the ability that you can combine lights, so you can see that it's flashing. You could choose the amount of time that it sits on a light, and the blue and the red can actually be combined at the same time without any flashing. So I liked that, and this was like $600, so not bad at all. And yeah, so I decided, I guess, as you know, I love LED. I decided to go ahead and pop my little booty underneath there and get a little LED treatment real quick. And it just looks like I'm like taking off in space, like the whole vibe, the black wall, she's hitting. And then as a gift, I did get the Glacier facial device from Zemits as well. This came with my Hydrodermabrasion. So if you purchase one and you use my code, you will get a percentage off of your entire purchase. But also, while supplies last, I guess they're giving away these Glacier facial devices. This is just a galvanic type therapy device. So if you don't know about galvanic therapy, it's really good for combining synergy of heat, cooling, and galvanic technologies to treat, you know, several different things: cleansing, hydration, rejuvenation, infusion. So
Very easy, simple, low
Thank you guys so much
cost
for watching this video. I hope you liked it.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching my life updates. Drop a comment. Let me know, what are you excited to see on my channel coming up? Let me know how your journey is going. Who's graduating? Who's starting school? Where are you at? I need to know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't go anywhere. I have an entire playlist right here for you. Check it out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!